Hey Mason Jar fans, this is Taylor again from Mason Jar Lifestyle, and today I'm going to show you how to put together our soap pump kits. So we have them available for regular mouth and wide mouth jars, which is super awesome. And most of our pumps are also actually stainless steel as well, so that means that they're rust proof, so you can use them still in the bathroom or in the kitchen for a really long time. And what's great is that you can also use these pumps for hand soap, dish soap, hand sanitizer, and even lotion. So they are really versatile, so you can use them in lots of different rooms throughout the house, and you can just kind of get rid of those single-use plastic bottles, which is super cool. So let's start by putting together our regular mouth soap pump kit. So in the regular mouth soap pump kit, what's included is the pump, the soap pump lid adapter, a plastic nut / screw, foam disc, and then the straw itself as well. And so for our wide mouth kits, it's all the same things except for that foam disc is not included, and that is because instead we have a silicone ring, and that again, it just helps to kind of keep everything together within the kit so that it doesn't slide off on your jar easily and just comes together really nicely. So first, let's start with our regular mouth kit. So here's a regular mouth quart jar I'm going to be putting it onto. So you're going to take your pump and your lid, and then you're going to take that plastic screw, and you want to make sure that the threading is facing upwards so it'll actually screw into the pump and into the lid itself. So you'll put it inside of that hole in there and just screw it in there, and just keep screwing until the lid and the pump are together tightly. So then now it's all together, and then you'll take the foam disc and just push that into there, and this again just kind of helps to hold everything together easily. And you'll take that straw and put it in the straw hole, and then put everything, screw it onto your jar, and it'll pump really easily like that. So then for our wide mouth kit, it's basically the same concept, but I just wanted to show you how it was with the silicone ring as well. So you'll take your pump, your lid, put them together, take that screw, and again check that the threading is facing upwards to screw into the pump and the lid. Screw it in there as tightly as you can. Oops, slipped a little bit. There we go. And then you'll take the silicone ring, put it in there. Take the straw, put it in the straw hole. And you want to make sure that that silicone stays around there and also is along the top of your jar as well, just so it stays on there tight. And there we go. Perfect. And then these soap pumps that I'm showing off today, this is our satin number 5 soap pump, our oil rub bronze soap pump, our satin number 2 soap pump, and then this is our satin number 4 soap pump. So these are great pumps for you to use just again throughout your house. And also, just so you know, the straw that comes with the pump kit is a little bit too long for a pint jar. So if you're going to use a pint jar for any of these, then you want to cut the straw down so that way the straw doesn't touch the bottom of the jar at all, because otherwise it won't work, it won't pump at all. So you just want to keep measuring it and cutting it down so that it fits into your jar perfectly. Thanks you all for watching.